Hello and welcome to this video on the ProShares Short Bitcoin Strategy ETF BITI. This ETF is designed to provide investors with the ability to short or bet against the price of Bitcoin. In this video, we'll go over the basic information about BITI, how it works, its performance, and what to consider before investing. What is BITI? BITI is an exchange-traded fund that is designed to provide investors with the ability to bet against the price of Bitcoin. The ETF is managed by ProShares, a well-established provider of ETFs. BITI seeks to deliver returns that are the inverse of the daily performance of the benchmark index, the CMECF Bitcoin reference rate. This means that if the benchmark index goes up, BITI will go down, and vice versa. How does BITI work? BITI is an inverse ETF, which means that it is designed to move in the opposite direction of its benchmark index. The ETF uses financial derivatives, such as futures contracts, to achieve this goal. BITI aims to provide investors with the ability to short or bet against Bitcoin, allowing them to potentially profit from a decline in the price of Bitcoin. BITI was launched in late 2019, and since then, it has seen a significant amount of volatility in its price. The ETF has been impacted by the overall market sentiment towards Bitcoin, which has been volatile and highly speculative. In 2020, BITI saw a significant decline in value as the price of Bitcoin rose sharply, but in 2021, the ETF performed well as Bitcoin prices corrected. Over the past year, BITI has delivered returns that are largely in line with its stated objective of providing inverse exposure to Bitcoin. What to consider before investing in BITI? As with any investment, it is important to consider the risks involved before investing in BITI. BITI is a highly speculative investment, and the price of Bitcoin is highly volatile. This means that the value of BITI can fluctuate rapidly and significantly. Additionally, BITI is a leveraged ETF, meaning that it seeks to provide exposure to the inverse of the benchmark index with the use of financial derivatives. This means that there is a risk of magnified losses if the price of Bitcoin rises. In conclusion, the ProShares Short Bitcoin Strategy ETF BITI provides investors with the ability to short or bet against the price of Bitcoin. The ETF has been impacted by the overall market sentiment towards Bitcoin, which has been volatile and highly speculative. BITI is a highly speculative investment and the price of Bitcoin is highly volatile, meaning that the value of BITI can fluctuate rapidly and significantly. Before investing in BITI, it is important to consider the risks involved and to consult with a financial advisor.